Welcome to Unit4 PSA Sales Management Introduction video. We start our day in Outlook, where we receive emails and create appointments. I've received an email from John Hayes at Ideas. I'm going to track this email. And I'm going to see if John already exists in my client data set. And he does. John Hayes is a business owner. So I'm tracking this email directly to his company, Ideas. To store the information even further, it's a request about reaching out to discuss an acquisition. So I'm going to create a lead from this email. So I populate simply some information. And I'm populating the name. And I'm populating his title. I don't populate the company name, as I understand he's already in my data set. Click on Save and Close. And from some unstructured data, I now created structured data in my PSA Suite. I'm going to plan a meeting with him on Friday, a lunch meeting. And I provide the information to my appointment. So now I'm relating my appointment to John as a lead in my PSA Suite practice management solution. We navigate to PSA, which is fully integrated with your Outlook environment. We're navigating to leads, and we see that John Hayes has become a lead in my business process. I can now qualify the lead, seeing if John already exists, so I don't double up the information, and if the business already exists. It does. And now I can directly enter more information, capture a summary, and add information that I would like to add to this lead. With the creation of a lead coming from Outlook, we conclude the introduction video for Unit4 PSA Sales Management.